Hello guys, good morning! Welcome back to my new content vlog. So for today's video is my OTD attire. So this is our OTD attire while we are walking here on the park together with my baby because it's very cold here in Italy and tomorrow it's gonna be autumn season, so that's why I'm wearing this OTD attire. So OTD for the day. So this is my bag for today. It's brown color and I have belt for my blazer. So it's very cold here in Italy right now, and this is my belt and my blazer. I can do pull out also if I want to pull out. And I'm wearing a boots, shoes, and black leggings and t-shirt white. And this t-shirt, it was in Lyceum t-shirt, Lyceum College. So I was in the first year college in Lyceum, so this is I'm wearing now. It's still fit for me for this clothes. So yeah, this is our OTD for the day. Thank you for watching.